Hey, what's up, everybody? I just saw Charlie's video about that shooting in Minnesota, and it just broke my heart because the guy was an ICU nurse. And I remember when I was visiting my grandma in the hospital, the ICU nurse looked just like this guy, man. And I have so much respect for them. And his name was John. And if he ever sees this, God bless his soul. But he was tending to my grandma so good and helping her. And this story, or this like shooting, just broke my heart, and so I wanted to code this. Alright guys, so I got a module up here we need to require that I created for him. GFX, love graphics. Have some images that we're gonna cycle through here. I have some text here that's going to show at the end. Okay, so we need to update our here you go, Alex, buddy. Save that.